Hello and welcome back to another episode at Rescoli by Carlo. Today is going to be a curiosity episode. Basically, we're going to discuss this shelving and how to finish with this feel over here. Basically, all this wood here was part of an attic in this same place. And when the attic was removed, there was all this wood. And so we decided that instead of throwing away all this precious wood, we would do all this shelving. What we did, basically, we took the measurements, obviously, we cut the wood, we joined everything together. Everything can be removed. And then, obviously, we needed to have a nice and beautiful finish. So what we did, follow me and I'll show you right now. Basically, we need the wood, a wet cloth and a clean cloth, and our favorite product, which is the Frenchic furniture paint browning wax. Actually, this is the last remaining piece of all the wood you can see behind me. So this we didn't use because we didn't need to. What do we need to do? Basically, we wanted to have an industrial and rustic finish, so we didn't sand and polish the wood, we just left it as it is. We then cleaned with sugar soap and obviously water. We let it dry between 5 to 10 seconds, but usually we take a little bit longer to let it dry properly. But then what happened was, when this was a little bit on the wet side, we applied the browning wax like this, so that we could have a little bit more movement. So this is some of the way of how to apply the browning wax. To apply the browning wax, you just need to have a bit of a strong hand, especially if you have a big project like the one we had, like this, and then we removed the excess to have this nice industrial looking finish. So that's it for today. See you next week.